Hello there. Are you thinking about making a new business card? Do you need inspiration or some assets to get started? Maybe we can help you. Let's go to Freepik and browse through some of our collections to find a design that can inspire you. Yes, there are thousands of templates to choose from, so select one that best suits your style and needs. Have you found it? Okay, download it and open it in Adobe Illustrator. That's it. Just a clarification. When designing your business card, it's important to include a bleed area around the edges. Bleed ensures that there are no white borders or edges when the card is trimmed after printing. Typically, a 3mm bleed is recommended for business cards. This means that your design should extend 3mm beyond the edge of the card on all sides. If you want to learn more about bleed marks for printing, visit the link we've left for you in the description. Now it's time to customize the template to make it your own. Change the name, job title, contact information, and any other details you want to include on your business card. You can also change the font, colors, and layout to match your personal branding. To make your business card stand out, you can add some of the assets available on Freepik, such as icons, illustrations, or patterns. Once you have created your business card, it's a good time to show it to your client. A good way to do it is through MOCKUPS. Freepik offers a wide range of mockups for different types of products, including business cards. Search for business card mockup that matches the style of your design and download it. Open the mockup in Adobe Photoshop and replace the default design with your own business card design. Now it's time to prepare your file for printing. Go to File and Save As. Choose Adobe PDF as the file type. Select the PDF preset. Adjust the settings in the General, Compression, Marks and Bleeds, and Output tabs. Click Save PDF and your print-ready file will be created. Congratulations! You have successfully created a professional-looking business card using Freepik content and assets.